Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to delete highlights on Instagram from your iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First things first, you have to simply make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you could head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in Instagram, and go ahead and simply update Instagram. I'm going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now the very first thing we are going to do is from the bottom right-hand side, we're going to tap on our Instagram profile picture, and we will be taken to our Instagram profiles. And here you can see some of the highlights which I have added. Now I'm going to show you two things. The first is that if you want to delete a particular story from your highlights, and the other is that how you can delete the whole highlight itself. Now first, let's get to the first process of actually deleting a particular photo from highlight. What you have to do is simply open that highlight right over here. You can see I have added two stories on this highlight. If I want to delete a particular story, what I will do is from the bottom right, I will tap on the More button. As I tap on the More button, you can see the option called Remove from Highlight. So what you could basically do is simply tap on Remove from Highlight, and this is the first way to do this. You can see it says Remove from Photo from Highlight. You'll still be able to see this photo in your archive. You can delete it prominently from the archive. But then there is also another way to remove this photo from your highlight, and that is to actually edit this highlight. Tap on the More button again, and we're going to tap on Edit Highlight, and then simply uncheck these stories which you might want to remove from this particular highlight, right like this. Let's say I want to actually remove this highlight, then I'm going to remove that story from there, and tap on Done, and then I'm going to tap on the Save button, right like this. Now this is how you can actually delete a particular story from your highlight. Let's say you want to actually delete the whole highlight itself. The process is actually fairly simple. So let's say I want to delete this first highlight. What I will do is I will simply long press on it. As I long press on it, you'll be granted a bunch of these options at the bottom. You have the option called Delete Highlight right at the top of the screen. So you have to simply tap on the Delete Highlight button, and you can see the option called Delete Highlight. What you can do is simply tap on the Delete button in order to delete that particular highlight, and you can see that that particular highlight has successfully deleted. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.